Introducing the Housing Aid for Older People grant. Now with increased support for seniors 66 and older, the grant amounts have risen, extending eligibility with higher income limits. Low-income applicants see full cost coverage for essential home adaptations. Remember, tax affairs must be clear and home ownership verified before work begins. Necessary repairs like structural updates, electrical upgrades, and window replacements are covered. Start your application today through local authorities or gov.ie, ensuring safe and comfortable living. And with these improvements, the Housing Aid for Older People grant continues to provide